Hello, children. Welcome to my lesson. My name is Teacher Sarah. How are you feeling today? Okay, I'm feeling so good today because the weather is sunny, and today is a very sunny and very good weather of summer day. And I wish you have a nice day. Okay, children, we have got in a wonderful topic today because our lesson about farm animals, and I want to give you some question about farm animals. What's farm animals? Farm animals is our friends. Yes, that's true. Everybody can use farm animals because farm animals love us and helps us so much. First time I want to show you a video on YouTube and then speaking about this video. Okay, first time.
It's a cow. Cow. I love having cow milk for breakfast. Cow. I see another silhouette there. Let's see which animal is that. It's a horse. Horse. Horses are really fast. Horse.
Okay, children, we watch the video and it's the first time. I want to give you some question about this video. Okay, children, how many animals have in this video? Michael, ask my question, please. 8. No, it's not true variant. Ali, ask my question, please. 10. No, it's wrong variant. Alice, ask my question, please. Yes, that's true. 9 animals have in this video. Okay, children, do you like farm animals? Okay, especially what's your favorite farm animals? Michael, ask my question, please. Horse, of course. Ali, what's your favorite farm animals? Goat, interesting. Asmar, ask my question, please. What's your favorite farm animals? Rabbit, yes, rabbit, that's so cute. I agree with you. Okay, children, I want to show you again this video and then we will speak about this video, okay?
Let's see some other animals in this farm. It's a sheep. Sheep. This sheep is so soft. Sheep. Let's see what we can find around here.
Okay, we watch it second time in this video and I want to give you questions about this video. Okay, children, can you tell me what is give us hen give us egg, that's true, but cow, Alice? Okay, cows give us milk. Do you like milk? Yes, we make some cheese, yogurts, curds with milk. That's why milk is so healthy for body and especially bones. Okay, rabbits, what is favorite meals? Rabbits. Ali, answer my question, please. Okay, carrot and cabbage. That's true. Um, uh, how many horns have goat? Michael? Yes, have two horns and have goat. That's true. Okay. What is your favorite farm animal, Jane? Okay, your favorite animal is horse. Can you use a horse? Okay, you okay. Your grandma and grandpa live in village and you raise horse. That's true experience for you. Okay, children. I think that everybody knows farm animals. Yes, and then I want to give you some task about farm animals. Come and write on the blackboard some farm animals and speak what is your professions. Yes. Next, first word is cow. Ali, answer my question, please. Cow, what is what can do it? Cows gives milk. But rabbits eat rabbits eat cabbage and carrots. That's true. What can you use on goat? Okay, goat give us milk too. It's so worth milk for health. But sheep's what's sheep? And then next word is sheep. Can you tell me what is help for us? Sheep give meat. Sheep give meat and wool. Yes, we made some clothes with sheep wool. Donkey. Okay, donkey. For vehicle. Okay, that's true. Congratulations to you. We then we can do it next lesson stage.